Hello and welcome to this course AI Agents using CrewAI Studio and Jupyter with GPU support brought to you by techlatest.net. Imagine an AI powered team specialist working together, building, researching, writing, analyzing. That's CrewAI, a lightning fast Python based framework built from scratch for autonomous collaborative AI workflows. It allows you to build intelligent multi-agent systems called crews that can plan, reason, and collaborate autonomously to accomplish tasks. Whether it's research, content generation, decision making, or task automation, CrewAI brings structure to agent collaboration. In this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about CrewAI. We will walk through the core concepts like agents, tasks, tools, and crews, explain how these components work together, explore powerful features like hierarchical reasoning, custom tools, and observability, and help you understand when to use crews versus flows. To truly understand Crew AI, you need to grasp its foundational building blocks. So let's start with agents. Think of each agent as a skilled team member with a specific role, like a research analyst, content writer, or reviewer. You configure their persona, tools, memory, and even decision behavior. Tasks are discrete actions or goals. Each task has a clear objective, optional input data, and can be assigned to a specific agent. Tasks can be static, dynamic, or even generated by other agents. Crews. This is the collective brain, a container that holds agents, defines the task flow, and execute collaborative process. A crew manages the full life cycle of the workflow. Then we have kickoff. This is the trigger that starts the crew's activity. Once you call crew.kickoff, agent begin communicating, solving tasks, and generating results. Tools. Tools give agents power beyond language. You can plug in Python functions, external APIs, databases, web scrapers, or even LangChain tools. Tools allow agents to interact with the real world. And lastly, we have knowledge. Knowledge refers to external context, uploaded documents, previous conversations, or embeddings that agents can reference during execution for deeper reasoning or recall. Here, how a crew operates in real time. You define each agent, equipping them with goals, tools, memory, and role based behavior. You structure the process, whether agents will collaborate in a linear sequence, work in parallel, or in a hierarchy, with a lead agent delegating to others. You assign tasks either directly or programmatically based on agent capability. When you kick off the crew, the agents begin executing tasks, calling tools, referencing knowledge, and collaborating like an intelligent workflow engine. The crew monitors agent outputs and passes information between them to refine the final result. This orchestration allows agents to build on each other's output, reason together, and adapt their strategy dynamically. Crew AI also introduces flows, a complementary system to crews. While crews focus on autonomy and collaboration, flows bring structure, determinism, and control. You can add Python code in your crew execution to make it more powerful. Flows let you orchestrate AI decisions using events, conditions, and logic paths, like a flowchart for AI behavior. CrewAI gives you both crews and flows. So when to use each? Use crews when the problem is open-ended or ambiguous, like conducting market research, or drafting a proposal, or writing code. Agents collaborate and adapt based on evolving context. Use flows when you need deterministic execution, like form validation, decision trees, or content moderation rules. Flows operate more like a logic circuit. For many use cases, hybrid architecture works best. A flow can trigger a crew to explore, then return results to the flow for validation or next steps. You get autonomy and control both at one place. Now let's talk about some of the key features of CrewAI. CrewAI is not just about gluing agents together, rather it's a production grade framework packed with powerful features. It has hierarchical reasoning. You can define manager agents who break down a problem, assign subtasks to specialists, then validate and assemble the final output. Great for multi-step tasks. Then we have asynchronous kickoffs. You can run multiple crews in parallel or schedule them as background jobs, ideal for batch automation. Custom toolings. Write Python functions, call APIs, or use open source integration to give agents real capabilities beyond LLM text generation. Multimodal input support. Agents can consume not only text but also structured data, files, or vision based inputs if needed. Human in the loop (HITL). This feature allows you to pause execution at decision points to let humans review, approve, or guide agents. This is perfect for high-stakes workflows. CrewAI is here to help you build powerful AI teams which are fast, modular, and scalable. Are you ready to build your first crew? TechLatest provides ready-to-use virtual machine solution for building AI agents using CrewAI, CrewAI Studio, and Jupyter with GPU support. This solution is available on major cloud platforms including Azure, GCP, and AWS. Visit our website at www.techlatest.net, navigate to Products and Support page, scroll down and select CrewAI from the products catalog. Here you can see deployment guides and other detailed documentation. You can launch this product using this Launch Now buttons on your cloud platform of choice. To learn more from official documentation, navigate to User Guide, open these pages to learn more. Links are in the description. Get your crews of AI agents hassle-free with TechLatest VM solution. In our next video, we will cover CrewAI Studio, a no-code interface for AI agent system design. Keep watching for more exciting videos on CrewAI. Thank you for joining us. Follow us on LinkedIn, X, Medium, Reddit, and YouTube for more exciting content. Thank you.